Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Audacity in 2026. Audacity is a free audio editor that lets you record, edit, clean up, and export audio from your computer. Whether you're creating voiceovers, podcasts, tutorials, or simple recordings, Audacity gives you plenty of useful tools in one place. First, open Audacity and take a look at the main workspace. The toolbar contains controls for playing, stopping, pausing, and recording audio. Below that, you'll see the timeline and track area where your recordings and imported files appear. To start working, you can either record new audio or import an existing file. When you record, your audio appears as a waveform, making it easier to see where speech, silence, and other sounds occur. You can select parts of the waveform and apply different editing tools. For example, you can remove unwanted sections, adjust volume, add effects, or move clips around the timeline. Audacity also includes tools for reducing background noise, improving clarity, and changing the overall sound. You don't need to use every effect right away. Start with the tools that solve the specific problem you're working on. When you're finished editing, you can export the project into a common audio format. Before exporting, listen through the complete recording to make sure everything sounds the way you expect. If you're new to Audacity, spend some time experimenting with short recordings. You can always undo changes if something doesn't sound right, so there's plenty of room to learn, and that's how to use Audacity. Once you understand recording, tracks, selections, editing, effects, and exporting, you'll have a solid foundation for creating and improving audio. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next